All right, here are 3 topics.
What do you got?
Oh.
All right, Tristy, can you hear me okay?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, here are 3 topics. We got appetizers,
All right.
comedy movies, or video games.
I don't know how well equipped in the video game universe I am.
I think if we did video games, we get 2 different genres, or 2 different decades,
Well,
maybe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick
Well,
old school ones.
I can do like both.
Okay.
So
I mean, I can do it. Okay. Start
Okay.
coming up with my extra couple, but I'll figure it out.
Okay. So video games?
Honestly, I think video games, yeah.
All right, video games it is. All right. Who would like the first draft pick?
First, I'm gonna go with the Halo series.
Not bad. Not bad.
it's fine, but I feel like Call of Duty's better.
I grew up on Halo. So.
Yeah, I grew up on playing both of them, but just Call of Duty's better.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who's got the second draft pick? We're going you
Well,
or
I
me?
did.
Yeah, Call of Duty.
Oh, you did Call of Duty?
Yeah,
Okay.
I did Call of Duty.
I'm gonna go old school. I'm gonna go Mario.
Oh,
Super Mario.
yeah.
Yeah. It's made it through every generation of consoles.
It has.
Sure,
Yeah.
it has.
Yeah.
I made a movie too.
Well, let's forget about the movie.
And the show. There's a few shows.
There are a few
Like
shows.
the old Mario Bros. Show where like between them real life and transfer to cartoon.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen that.
Oh,
I
used to watch
It was a
lot.
good show.
It was.
Yeah.
There were a couple weird parts to
The
it.
intro song was really good.
Okay. All right. So if we're going back, I got the next pick, and I'm going to go with Wii Sports.
Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-wah.
Yeah. Just a classic. You can spend forever playing that.
I did. I used to.
Yeah, that's gonna be my next pick.
You can pick it up today. You haven't played it for years. You can pick it up today and still enjoy it.
Probably.
I did. I played it on the Switch. I just do golf. I just sit there and play golf on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Mario Kart.
That's a good one. Yeah.
I mean, I like Mario Kart, but I'm not very good at it. I've never been able to quite figure it out. I always
Just
run.
drive.
I always run
Yeah,
into the
just
walls.
drive.
Well, you avoid the walls.
I
You just
can't.
turn.
Oh my gosh.
You turn.
Little kids play the game.
Yeah, they're better than me.
Just turn.
Just turn.
Did you ever play on Wii where you had the remote?
We
Or
do
the
have
steering
we
wheel?
have the wheel too
Yeah.
at my house for it. Still not very good at it. I've never been able to figure it out. No desire to either. I'm gonna have to go Assassin's Creed. Because I can sit there and play that for hours. And I have like 8 of them.
Yeah, I'd say there's a lot of.
There's a lot of them.
There are a lot of them.
Spider-Man: Shattered Dimensions.
Never played it.
I've never played it. That's a PlayStation only game, right?
No, you can do it
Oh.
on Xbox. Yeah,
Okay.
it's just all the different like dimensions of Spider-Man. You can transfer between each mission.
Nice.
Mission.
Yeah.
You had it first time.
Yeah.
Yeah. I never got into the Spider-Man games. I don't know. Just never did. All right. I'm going to go GoldenEye. Back to the Nintendo 64. First person. What was the first person? Like, not the first person shooter game, but it's the first one that really got popular. That you could play and, against each other on the same screen. And that came out in middle school. And so we would get together and just, whoever had the biggest TV would go to their house.
Split screen.
And you could do a split screen and play 4 people at once, and that was fun. Sometimes we'd have like 2 TVs and like 2 Nintendo 64s, where you get like 8 people together and play that, and that was like not the same game, but like
2 separate games.
2 separate games, but we couldn't connect them yet on the console. But that was fun. Then I got the next pick. So after GoldenEye, I'm gonna go my personal favorite, Civilization. Doesn't really matter which version, but Civilization, some of those turn-based games are kind of fun.
I know Barrett really likes Civ 6.
Oh yeah,
That's one of his
that's
favorites.
a good one. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but it's
No, I've watched him play and I was like, I cannot do that much multitasking. Because he's all over the place. I'll just watch him. He's click, 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 click. I'm like, I could never.
Yeah, you gotta keep a lot of different things going, and yeah, it takes a little it's a slower paced game, but there's some strategy to it. I
He
like.
managed to make Communist America, by the
But
way.
they made a board game based off the video game, and that board game will take you like 45 minutes just to set the game up because there's so many pieces.
That is-
Yeah, but it's a 4-player. You play up to 4 players, and it will take you the better part of a day to set up and play the game. If you're gonna play it, yeah.
No, thank you.
Yeah, that's a lot of effort.
What? Pig.
I had one in mind, and I forgot what it was. Red Dead.
Yeah.
Just the series in general. Cause I remember watching my brother play Red Dead 1 when I was little. That game was really fun. Then I have Red Dead 2. I don't play it as much. I just don't play video games so much between sports, but it's still fun to play and watch.
I'm gonna have to say Doom. I liked the older Doom.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was like one of the first games.
Oh, you talking like the original Doom?
Yeah, that was like
Man,
one of the games that.
That's old.
Yeah, that was like the first thing that I was actually allowed to play, which.
Yeah.
My mom also wasn't really into me playing gory graphic games, so I was like,
I had to take GoldenEye back to the store when I bought it because it was too graphic. Like I got it, and I remember I bought it. This is when you had to go to
Yeah.
you had to go to the store to go buy a game. So I get the game, and I'm playing it. And my mom sees me playing it that night,
She's
and
like,
like
"Nope."
when you die, there's that blood that comes down the screen.
Yeah.
Kind of like the movies, that blood comes down the screen and the intro screen. And she freaked out because it was way too violent. So I had to return the game. So I returned the game, but everybody who had an N64 had that game. So I still played it all the time, just not when she was around, not when I was at home, you know. But yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Boy, but now the violence is like,
It
you go back and
doesn't
look at
matter
that kill
anymore.
screen, it was like not violent at all, but
Like so there in games, some finishers, like games like For Honor, those
Mortal
finishers.
Kombat.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little more violent than, yeah.
Fatality.
All right, so let's make our Mount Rushmore. So what were your 4 picks?
Mine was
I have to remember what I picked.
Halo, Assassin's Creed, Doom. Did I get one?
What was the last one? Oh, yeah, you missed one.
What else did you pick?
I didn't pick another one. I
Was
didn't
it
do the
one of the Wii ones, right? No.
No, that was you. I didn't get a fourth one
I thought you did.
because we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7, 8, 9.
Oh,
10.
oh,
so
so-
you just
so
didn't pick twice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So throw in another pick.
Minecraft.
Okay, that's
All right, that's a good one
I
for
love Minecraft. Those are my 4.
Okay. What were your 4?
I had Call of Duty, Red Dead, Mario Kart, and
Red Dead, Mario Kart.
Yeah. Oh no, you didn't have any. We just Mario Kart.
Mario Kart.
this is
Red
good.
Dead.
Red Dead.
Yeah.
Call of Duty. Your other
I don't
one.
know. I'll list my 4 while you think about your 4th one.
Yeah.
So my 4 were Mario.
Spider-Man.
Oh
Yeah, Spider-Man. Okay. So I had Mario, Wii Sports, Civilization, and GoldenEye. So who do we think had the best? So most of mine are older games, so they may not be the best.
But you chose some pretty good ones.
But that was my generation. Those were you know.
I've seen my mom play GoldenEye before, so.
Yeah. Looking at your guys's Call of Duty, Halo's good, but Call of Duty's better.
Yeah, it's gotten more.
Yeah.
Halo's
Halo's-
kind of just been
he's got Mario
itself.
Kart.
Halo's fun if you get the right people.
Yeah.
Yes.
But Call of Duty, it doesn't matter if you have the right people or not.
Yeah.
It's-
I
You
agree with
can
that.
hate.
Halo with the right people is fun. Halo with the wrong people is annoying.
Oh my gosh, yes. And like the multiplayer is just kind of the same thing for every single Halo game.
Yeah.
It's a little different in COD. And like,
Call of Duty is different because you either get a lobby full of campers or a lobby full of people that just rush you.
I can play that all day though. I can't
Yeah.
play Halo all day.
No.
I get burned out after a
Well,
little
you
bit.
play Call of Duty for as long as your temper can take.
That's true. That's
Yeah, I usually mute everybody in the lobby as soon as I get into a multiplayer game. Because I'm
Yeah.
like, I'm not going to deal with that.
I can't stand all that. Yeah.
Like if normally I play shipment or stuff like that, and there's the people running on the shotgun, I'm just like, I can't do this. I could not.
All right. So who do we think had the best? My vote goes to Wyatt. I think.
Yeah, I think Wyatt had the more quality games.
Plus you had Minecraft, so I'll just kind of degrade you a little bit for Minecraft.
Minecraft's fine. My fact also, like, it's fun, but
Yeah, and like I
It's
feel
like
like
a finesse.
the stuff there, because after a while you kind of figure out how everything works, and then you kind of lose the creativity after a while.
yeah, you have to install mods and stuff for it
Yeah.
if you want to keep playing the game.
And like, I mean, if you get like a bunch of friends, then it might be a little more fun.
For
But
like a week or two.
yeah,
You'll play for like a week too, and you'll get off for like months, and then
Yeah.
get back on.
that's how it is with me. Is I'll get onto a game and I'm just like, when did I start this? But
All right. Well, let's wrap it up. I think Wyatt won
yeah,
with his 4. Okay.
huzzah!
All right.
Yeah.
Podcast done.